So to begin with, we're going to cover the Internet of Things before moving on to cloud computing then. So the Internet of Things can be described as one large network which works in line with connecting physical objects, known as things, with people. And these objects, or things as they're known, are everywhere around us within our household appliances to the likes of our advanced industrial tools within our workforce. So the Internet of Things can apply to you on a personal level or at a business level too. And if we do think of our home, we have numerous devices around our home which need to be connected to the Internet, and the Internet of Things will collect the data amongst each of these devices and share data on how they are used in the environment around them. So some examples of some of the devices you may have is the likes of your smartwatch, self-driving cars, smart microwaves, or even smart clocks as well, which work in line with the overall internet and how things connect and talk to each other. And why businesses or why people might actually invest in this technology is that it is quick and easy to find information. You can share data, which makes up for effective communication amongst different devices. Within your business, you can predict manufacturing faults and update the business in relevant information. And it also reduces the need for human intervention as well. However, like other technology systems, you do have a high risk of cyber attacks, and the collecting and managing of large amounts of data can prove a challenge for some businesses as well. So to give you an example of the Internet of Things, I'll take the example of the smart clock. So in terms of your smart clock, you will set this for say 7 AM every morning to get up on time and to be ready for work. However, a smart clock could detect whether there is an ongoing issue or there's traffic or there's a crash on the road, and will automatically set that clock for maybe 15 minutes earlier, making sure that you're getting in to work on time despite this delay. So if you find yourself within the manufacturing industry, you could use this technology to become proactive and detect maintenance issues before they occur. So the sensors within the Internet of Things will allow manufacturing firms to accurately remove production until equipment is repaired, allowing them to continue to meet customer demands and keep ahead of their competitors. On the other hand, within retail, the Internet of Things has become more common in stores worldwide, where the sensors have the ability to sound alarms and triggers to these stores to let them know that products is nearly run out of stock. As well as managing inventory, this technology is also being used to improve customer experience and reduce operational costs within this industry. And even over across various other industries, such as the likes of Tesla and the automotive industry, the Internet of Things is becoming more popular here as well, especially with the evolution of Tesla, where these cars have built-in sensors capable of predicting failures and faults and recommending the driver exactly what to do. So that's a quick overview of the Internet of Things. So we'll have a wee look now at cloud computing. So bringing us on to cloud computing then, and this is basically the replacement of physical data centers and servers, where you will be provided with a cloud provider to save any of your IT resources. So in return, this allows your business to become flexible, have faster innovation, and achieve economies of scale. So there are many different reasons why companies would actually invest in the cloud itself and to save their data, and it's more common with a company who hold large amounts of data at a given period. So it allows you to improve the agility of the business. So the cloud can be managed by particular employees within the workforce, making it easier to manage information and the large amounts of data. It would also mean you have lower IT costs in terms of, rather than having hardware and other devices on your premises at a given time, you can then save into the cloud, allowing you to save costs. And I suppose in return, this allows you to also gain a competitive edge and scale more effectively. So access to the cloud can be purchased in different stages depending on how much storage you actually need, and this will allow your business to grow easier and continue to save data onto the cloud as you scale as well. So you can definitely see that this is beneficial for particular businesses, offering you a secure environment to save your data in one location. And many systems would normally take a great deal of maintenance with uploading and files and saving of data, but with the cloud, the need for system downloading and uploading is eliminated, making it a faster approach for an innovative business. So as you sort of can tell, there are many advantages with this. So it's allowing you to save money on costs and needing hardware. It increases efficiency and productivity. You can enhance security with also the ability to back up data so nothing can get lost. But like any system that deals with large amounts of data, when you are saving it up into the cloud, you do run that risk of it being stolen when stored here, as there are risks of internal bugs and encryption, which is also worth considering while you're investing in the cloud itself. So if you're a business, you'll probably want to be deciding what type of cloud do I need, how do I go about this. So there are many different types out there, and the three most common one is in terms of the infrastructure as a service, also known as IaaS, and this type of service is considered as pay as you go. So this offers you essentials as well as the flexibility to scale up by saving money on general business costs. So this is often seen with companies such as Amazon and Microsoft who offer this as a service. Platform as a service, on the other hand, PaaS, looks to develop and deploy resources from the cloud which could be used to the advantage of your business. And an example of this is through online storage apps, where you have the ability to purchase and manage the applications and service. And then finally is software as a service, SaaS. So software as a service seeks to deliver software applications over the internet where everything is managed by the provider, which helps you improve your productivity levels. So this type of software is seen with the likes of emails and Microsoft 365, two effective forms of technology which helps improve your overall efficiency levels within your business. And that concludes an overview of cloud computing as well as the Internet of Things. If you do have any questions in around these two areas, don't be afraid to contact ProfileTree today. I've also conducted other videos on other technology applications which you can find on ProfileTree's YouTube, and I will continue to upload these types of videos over the coming weeks as well, so I would advise you to stay tuned and make sure and check those out as well. My name is Lachlan Mallon with ProfileTree, and thank you for watching.